Everyone, welcome to my channel Orbit of Learning by Swati Singh. So today I'm here with you with the next set of topics of the chapter 2 cells. So we'll be starting up with the topic ribosomes. These are the dense granules which do not have any membrane. इसमें membrane नहीं होता है. These are found in all cells with synthesized proteins. ये सारे ही cells में available होता है, right? These may be 70S or 18S type. S is Weinberg unit. Mark कर लीजिए, this is very important as per the exam point of view. Next is the Golgi apparatus. It's the traffic police of cells. इसको और क्या कहते हैं? Traffic police of cells. It was first discovered by Camillo Golgi and consists of system of membrane-bound vessels arranged approximately parallel to each other in stacks called cisternae. ठीक है? These membranes often have connections with the membranes of ER. Therefore, material synthesized near the ER is packaged and dispatched to various targets inside and outside the cell through Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is involved in the formation of lysosomes, plasma membrane, cell wall and complex sugars from simpler one. ये कहाँ कहाँ इसका यूज़ होता है, किसके किसके फॉर्मेशन में? तो ये इन लाइबोसोम्स, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, सेल वॉल, कॉम्प्लेक्स शुगर के उसमें ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल कॉल प्ले करता है. ये देखिए, ये गोल्गी एपरेटस और ये क्या है इसका? सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट इज द lysosomes. These are the membrane bound sacs filled with digestive enzymes which are made by RER. Liposomes are also known as suicidal bags. इनको क्या और बोलते हैं? suicidal bags. During the disturbance in cellular metabolism or when the cells get damaged, liposomes may burst and the enzymes can digest their own cells. इसीलिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? suicidal bags. Next is the mitochondria. It is a double membrane bound cell organelle. The outer membrane is porous and the inner membrane is deeply folded into finger-like projection called cristae. It is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को. नेक्स्ट लाइबोसोम्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? सुसाइडल बैग्स. और गोल्गी एपरेटस को हम बोलते हैं ट्रैफिक पुलिस ऑफ सेल्स. ये इनके जो सेकेंड नेम्स हैं इनको भी आप याद रखिएगा. The energy required for various chemical activities needed for life is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate molecules. Mitochondria is self-replicating semi-autonomous organelle which has its own protein synthesizing machinery. 7S type ribosomes are found in mitochondria. कौन से ribosomes में found होते हैं? 70S. ये देखिए, mitochondria F1 particles are found in the mitochondria matrix and performs a major role in the formation of ATP molecules. F1 particles are also called oxysomes. ठीक है, इसका आप डायग्राम देख सकते हैं, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. नेक्स्ट इज प्लास्टिड्स. These are double membrane bound organelle found only in plant cells and have their own DNA and ribosomes like mitochondria. ये सिर्फ कहाँ found होते हैं? Plant cells में. The internal organization of plastids consists of numerous membrane layers embedded in the material called stroma. बहुत सारे stacks में ये क्या होते हैं? Layers के फॉर्म में होते हैं, लेकिन एक सिर्फ कहाँ होते हैं? Plants में होते हैं, plant cells में found होते हैं. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Stroma. ये देखिए, ये आप देख सकते हैं. Plastids can be categorized as chromoplast or chloroplast, right? Chromoplast, these are variously colored plastids, majorly yellow or reddish in color due to the presence of carotenoid pigments. These are found in colored parts of plant like flower, fruits, etc. Chloroplast, these are green colored plastids which contain chlorophyll as the major pigment apart from carotenoid. It takes part in photosynthesis. Chloroplast of algae other than green ones are called chromatophores. ठीक है, क्लोरोप्लास्ट और क्रोमोप्लास्ट ये रेडिश और येलो होते हैं और क्लोरोप्लास्ट ग्रीन, एज यू नो. नेक्स्ट इज द ल्यूकोप्लास्ट. दीज आर द कलरलेस plastids which are used for storage purposes. These are of following types. Elioplast, these stores oil and flask. Amylioplast, these stores starch. Archaeoplasts, they store proteins. Leucoplasts are found in roots, underground, stem cells, etc. Next is the vacuoles. These are the storage sacs for solid and liquid content. ये क्या एक तरह का storage sac है, किसके लिए? Liquid और solid content के लिए. Vacuoles are small sized in animal cells while plant cells have very large vacuoles. Animals में क्या हो, ये vacuoles क्या होते हैं, बहुत छोटे होते हैं, और plants में ये बड़े होते हैं. Next is the vacuole is bounded by a membrane called tonoplast. किससे bound होता है ये? Tonoplast. The central vacuole is 50 to 90% of cell volume. In the plant cells, vacuoles are full of cell sap and provide turgidity and rigidity to the cell. Vacuoles helps to store amino acids, sugar, various organic acids and some proteins. Thus, they are also called the dustbin of cells. सबके अलग अलग हैं, क्या रोल कॉल है उससे आपको नाम से ही समझ में आएगा. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? वैक्यूल्स को क्या बोलते हैं? डस्टबिन ऑफ सेल्स. साइटोस्केलेटन, it is the crisscross network of interconnected filaments and tubules called cytoskeleton. It extends from nucleus to plasma membrane and supports the shape of the cell. It also helps in anchoring cells organally to fixed locations. Centrosome and centriole. These are the specialized structures of animal cells, lower plants and primitive flagellate only. The centrosome is made up of two cylindrical rod-shaped structures called centrioles, which are oriented at right angle to each other. A centriole can be differentiated into two regions, central and peripheral. The latter contain fibrils of tubule proteins, which further processes triple fibril. Adjacent triplet fibrils are interconnected, and the center part, hub, consists of one or more longitudinal arranged strands. Centriole takes part in the formation of cilia, flagella and spindle fibers during cell division. Right? Next one is the microbodies. These are small, many membrane bound organelles associated with oxidative reactions. They are of following types: peroxomes and gylosomes. क्या डिफरेंस है? डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्लांट एंड एनिमल सेल्स. सेल वॉल एनिमल में एब्सेंट होती है और प्लांट में प्रेजेंट होती है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सेलुलोज. शेप एनिमल में क्या होता है? राउंड, और प्लांट में रेक्टेंगुलर. सेंट्रोल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं इसमें, और इसमें प्लांट सेल्स में ओनली प्रेजेंट इन लोअर प्लांट फॉर्म्स. वैक्यूल्स, वन और मोर स्मॉल वैक्यूल्स are present in animals, and in plant there are much larger vacuoles present in a plant cell. Lysosomes occur in cytoplasm, and in plant cells lysosomes are usually not evident. So I'll be completing the chapter in the next video. So if you're liking this series, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more such videos.